Hey you guys, welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. I did get a request to do another look with the Glamlite and Chucky palette, which is right here. You guys can see that, that's so cool. And of course, I'm more than happy to do that. I absolutely love this palette the first time I used it. And this is what the inside of this beautiful palette looks like. Here are those awesome shades. And I know I did more of a maroony purplish look, so this time I think we're gonna go for these beautiful like silver, see the silver and I don't know, just a more silver blackish shade. And this lipstick I have on, I found it in my big pile of lipsticks. I've never worn it before. It's like, I thought it was black, but it's more of like a dark navy blue metallic, just really, really cool. So I'm really, really excited about that. I know it does look more black on camera, but when I'm looking in my mirror, it's more like navy blue. So I really like it. I'm really excited. And let's go ahead and start off with the shade. Trying to, I don't really remember exactly what shades I used last time, but let's start with the shade. Dang it, I know I used the shade It's Time to Play though. Okay, let's go with, let's start off with the shade I Like to Be Hugged. It's a deep, deep purple shade. Because I don't think I used that last time. And if there's like any palette or anything you guys want me to use again or want me to do a different look with, just please, just put it in the comments below. I would love to do that. Because like I don't always have like new palettes to film with, so this is like a really, cool thing to get to do. All right. That is beautiful. And yeah, we're just going to do another really, really, really fun smoky look. Because that's, I mean, to me, that's what this palette is definitely made for. You could obviously do something a little easier, like lighter, not as deep and dark. But when I see this palette, like, that's what my mind goes to. And I also kind of like, I don't know, this is just me, but like I hate when like, you have this palette with these deep, dark, awesome colors, and then somebody, it's like, I don't know, it's a lot of people like try to like not use those or pass them up, but it's like, no, like these shades are gorgeous. Like you gotta use some of those to really like get the vibe of the palette and how it's gonna work, Okay. Now I am going to go in with there's so many pretty, pretty, pretty shades. Okay. I am going to use the shade Free Hugs right here. We're just going to put this on the outer portion of the lid. I'm just gonna like deepen up the crease just a little bit. that is like, that just looks so pretty. Like I'm just all over those deep dark shades. Like just give me all of them. I love it. Okay, now let me find the right brush. I like need a button or something I can push to play you guys some like elevator music or something, like while I'm looking for brushes. I just feel like that'd be fun. Okay, now we're gonna go with the shade Your Pals. It's 98, which is that shade right there. I'm just gonna put that on the inner part of the eye. That is so cool. So pretty. I love me a good shimmer, and like a black shimmer is like even better. I love this palette. Like, oh my goodness. This might be, what month are we in? March. This might be my palette of the year. Like, I'm not even kidding. This just does all the things that make me happy. I am just loving this so much. Like, if this palette was around when I got married last year, this would have been my wedding palette. Like, 1,000%, because my dress was black, and this would have just been just it. I mean, this would have looked so good with my dress. Like, oh man. I just absolutely love this shimmer. It's so pretty. And this lipstick, oh my goodness. All right, now for the lower lash line. Alright, so I am going to take the shade, let's take the shade Let's Be Friends first, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to lightly buff that down here. And if you're new here, anytime I say lightly, it just doesn't end up lightly for whatever reason. So, but looks good. All right. And then for that lower inner corner highlight, of course, we got to go with the shade Wanna Play, which is that shade right there. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. So I'm back and this is the finished look, you guys. Look at that. Oh, those shimmers. Okay, so I am in love with this look. Like, y'all already know. I'm just into those deeper, smoky, darker shades. I love that, and just add a little bit of glitter and you just have the most gorgeous glam look. Like, this is perfect. This is what I wish I would have done on my wedding day, but I wanted to go something smaller and got married at my brother's house. The lighting was horrible. I could barely see when I was getting ready and like I was in panic mode, but whatever. Here we are today. This look is gorgeous. I love it. And I wanted to show y'all this lip. It's the NYX Glitter Goals Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Oil Spill. And I'm just gonna, here's the applicator. Like, I absolutely love this. It's really comfortable too, and it's just such a cool shade. And I'm just gonna swatch this on the back of my hand so you guys can hopefully maybe see it a little better. There it is right there. I'm not sure if you can see, like, if the glitter shades are showing up or not, but this is just such a really fun color. So I don't know, I love it. Love it. And again, this is with the Glamlite, or Chucky and Glamlite palette. I'm not sure which name goes first, but got that cool holographic packaging. And then again, this is, whoops, I am just knocking stuff over everywhere. This is the inside of that palette, you guys. This, I just love this. I mean, I'm telling you, this, I know we're only in March, but this might be my palette of the year. You guys, if you have any palettes that you've been loving that you picked up recently, please feel free to comment down below. Let me know what they are. Thank y'all so much again for just watching this video. I truly appreciate it. And just some good affirmations. You are beautiful. You're amazing. You're going to do some really, really, really cool things coming up in the future. I can feel it. I hope the same for myself as well. And just stay safe. Know that you're loved. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever, afternoon, whatever, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.